Hey guys, my name is Varun Srivastav, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about the basic authentication with PHP and MySql. So make sure you have XM control panel running in the background. Now we will quickly create a database for our tutorial. So navigate to local host phpMyAdmin and click on this new button here, new link, and give your database a name. Let's call it tutorials and create a new database. Now we'll create a login table and we'll name it t_login. You can name it whatever you want and give it 3 columns because we are just going to do the basic authentication. First column will be ID, second will be username, and third will be our password. ID is going to be our auto-incremented primary key of this table. Username will be varchar, and think 50 characters will be sufficient. And for password, I recommend you give it 500 characters because we are going to hash password and that would increase the length of the password. So just make sure you have enough space, enough character length to compensate that. Now click on the save button here and your table will be created. Now the next stuff is the folder structure, the project folder structure. So quickly go on to C, examp, htdocs. I created tutorial folder here, and inside that I have basic auth, and this basic auth is going to be our root folder for this tutorial. And inside that I have 2 folders, classes, process. In the classes we are going to put all the classes necessary for our project. For example, the class for connecting to database, we'll put all those useful classes inside this, and process will be responsible for handling the process for like saving the user into a database and fetching the data from the user base. So all those function classes will come into process folder. Now load this folder into your favorite editor. Mine is Sublime and I have already done that. So basic auth will be a root folder, and inside that we have classes and process. So in the next video we will begin with coding, and first we'll create a login page, then registration page, and then we'll start coding and registering user into a database system. So just stay tuned.